India continues to be under a lockdown. You can see, by and large, the road behind me is silent. Even though till now the corona pandemic has not exploded in India, but what is ready to explode is an infodemic. An infodemic is ready to explode simply because the key health experts, the medical doctors for the government of India have stopped appearing for the 4 p.m. daily briefings which occur in the Press Information Bureau. For the last 15 days, no expert from the Indian Council of Medical Research has appeared on the 4 p.m. briefings which take place. When there is no expert available to clarify the health, science, and medical aspect doubts related to the coronavirus pandemic, obviously rumors will run rife. Just before the big lockdown happened, the Indian Council of Medical Research had said that they would hold a briefing every Friday. The top virologists of the country got together and held 2 back-to-back briefings. And now it is close to 8 weeks since then. No specialist briefing has happened from the Indian Council of Medical Research. The daily 4 p.m. briefing which happens is done by 2 Indian Administrative Service officers, one from the Ministry of Home Affairs and one from the Ministry of Health. Usually in those briefings, there used to be a virologist or an epidemiologist from the Indian Council of Medical Research who would participate in those briefings. But for the last 15 days, they have not surfaced. It could well have happened because there was a snafu related to the rapid antibody testing kits which were purchased from China. Soon after the purchase of those kits and that the kits were found to be duds, specialists from the Indian Council of Medical Research stopped appearing on those briefings. When the corona pandemic is a whole of government affair, it is surprising that a specialized agency from the government was not involved in the purchase of those kits, but it was left to the doctors, scientists and physicians of the Indian Council of Medical Research to go ahead with these rapid testing kits. In this third phase of the lockdown, somewhere people were expecting calming, soothing words from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When the 2 phases of the lockdown happened, Prime Minister Narendra Modi came on television and addressed the people of India. But in this phase 3 of the lockdown, even the soothing, calming words from a person India Trust, which is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, were missing. Is this non-appearance of the specialist on those media briefings an effort to ratchet down the panic reaction which is happening in India? If that is so, then that could be an acceptable communication strategy. But if that is not the case, then this is not a particularly good idea. That communication from the specialists should stop. India trusts its physicians, doctors and health specialists far more than its politicians and bureaucrats. If an infodemic has to be stopped, then specialists need to brief India and the press on the developments of the day. Even the daily 4 p.m. briefings, which were earlier 7 days a week, have now started to happen only 4 days a week. Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays, there are no briefings, only a press note is issued. I go back to the days of the Kargil conflict. There were daily briefings with specialists from the Indian Army and the Indian Foreign Service. If Corona pandemic is a war for India in the 21st century, then definitely briefings from specialists should become the order of the day, and they should not be skipped. India wants to hear its own medical specialists talking about a medical problem which is affecting the country. In New Delhi, Palav Bagla.